Welcome back to the program. Let's talk Gold Explorer West Africa Resources, which has secured funding of $278 million from Taurus Funds Management for the development of its Sanbrado Gold Project in Burkina Faso. Now, its Managing Director, Richard Hyde, joins me now to discuss the venture in a bit more detail. It's a pleasure to have you on the program, Richard. Thank you so much for joining us. Just tell us a bit about the business and where it stands right now. For those that don't follow it, it's all based around this gold project in West Africa.
Yeah, correct. So we've been working pretty hard for the last couple of years following a really high-grade discovery. We've just finished a major financing on the project, and we're looking forward to bringing that into production in about 18 months' time.
I mean, that financing, of course, securing that financial arm to development of that gold project, just how significant is that now that it is fully funded?
Well, it's a big financing, in relatively challenging conditions. It's over 300 million Australian dollars in debt and equity that we've just completed. So it's really a significant milestone for the company, and yeah, we're really pleased to put that away and move on and start building the project.
What's been the response from investors to that, particularly the equity side, which often those equity raisings are dilutive to shareholders? What's been the response?
Look, I think the response to shareholders has been, long-term shareholders have been really supportive. But to get $200 million US dollars or 280 million Australian dollars in debt, you've got to do some equity, and that's just the reality. Yep. So we've got it done now, so we're moving forward.
All right. So in terms of when you'll commence production, that's set for the second half of 2020. Is that all on track?
To bring it in ahead of that.
Sorry, just repeat that. So in terms of production commencing, what's the next big milestone?
Look, we've ordered some major long lead items already, so the financing's put away. We're on track for pouring gold in the second half of 2020. We'll be starting major construction early in the new year. We're drawing down the first tranche of the debt from Taurus, hopefully in February.
Okay, and talk us through just the gold space in general and how you see it tracking at the moment. It's interesting because we look at gold stocks quite a lot here at home. Often the gold price doesn't move directly as it used to. The characteristics of the gold price seem to be changing. Do you still see gold as a safe haven?
Oh, look, I do. I think gold's something that most investors should have. Sorry, go ahead. No,
keep going, sorry.
No, I was just saying, with West Africa, it's the best undeveloped gold project on the ASX. Look, I think it's a really positive announcement, finalising the finance, and we're looking forward to pouring a bar of gold in about 18 months' time.
Do you think gold, though, in terms of the price of gold, which obviously is important to your business, will benefit from market gyrations that we're seeing at the moment, the volatility in the broader market? I mean, do you watch that quite closely?
Well, typically, it's a safe haven asset. And gold has been relatively stable over the last short period of time. So look, I think it's a very good investment, and I think everyone should have a bit of gold in their portfolio.
All right. Well, there you have it. Appreciate your time. We will leave it there. Thank you very much for joining us.
Thank you.